Hello guys, I'm back again. So this time I'm going to bake the almond cookies that I just invented. So before I continue, I'm going to ask you a favor to subscribe, like and share my videos, and that's it. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So here are the ingredients that I need. I need butter, then sugar, white sugar, egg whites, flour, sliced almonds, and I have salt and vanilla. So I'm using a parchment paper on top of the baking tray, and I also need a mixer. I can use the electric mixer, the hand mixer, or the stand one. So this time I'm going to use the hand mixer. Before I will start mixing the ingredients, I'm going to preheat the oven to 375. So I set it up at 375. I'll turn on the light. So I'm going to cream the butter using the mixer. I'll spend 2 minutes to cream it. So I'm done creaming the butter. I'm going to add gradually the white sugar. So after mixing it with the butter, I'm going to add 2 more minutes to mix it. So 2 minutes is done. I'm going to add gradually as well the egg whites. Mixture, it's already well blended. I'm going to add on the salt and the vanilla. Then I'll mix in a few minutes, 1 minute. The last thing I'm going to mix is the flour. So now I already mixed everything together. I'm ready to bake. So I'm going to put it in the baking pan. Then I'm going to spread it very thin. So I already spread the batter very thin. The last thing I'm going to do is to put the toppings. It's the almond slices. Already spread out the almond slices. I'm ready to bake. It's already at 375. I'll bake this for 9 minutes. So I'll set the timer for 9 minutes. 10 minutes is done. So this is the outcome. You will see that it's brown, but that would make it crunchy. So while still hot, I'm going to slice it according to whatever sizes I want. Don't wait that it cool down, because otherwise you can now longer slice the cookies. As I have said earlier, make the mixture and spread it out very thin. This is my favorite. So good. My kids love this one. And I was just curious on how to make one of this. I tried my imagination and I came up with this one. It's so good. Again, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This is almond cookies. Thank you. Till next time. Bye-bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.